In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QuickBooks Journal Entries 2026. We'll be working in QuickBooks Online, and the goal is simple. Pull up a clean, complete list of your journal entries so you can review what's been posted. This is helpful for month-end close, audits, or just double-checking adjustments. Make sure you're signed in with a role that can view reports. If your sidebar looks different, you might be in a different view. That's fine. The steps are the same once you get to reports. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look to the left navigation panel and open the Reports tab. This is the reporting hub for your company, and it's where QuickBooks keeps the journal report we need. At the top of the Reports page, use the search bar. Type the word Journal, and then select the report named Journal. Depending on your layout, you may also see it grouped under a section often labelled For My Accountant. The journal report is designed to list every line of every journal entry, showing the debits and credits that make up each transaction. Before you run it, set the date range you want to review. You can use presets like this month, last month, or this fiscal year, or choose custom and enter exact start and end dates. For cleanup work, pick a tight window. For audit reviews, widen the range so you don't miss anything. Matching your accounting period here will save time later. Now click Run Report. QuickBooks will refresh and display your results for that date range. If you don't see what you expect, double check the dates and try expanding the range. The report shows each journal entry broken into lines by account, with columns such as date, transaction type, number, account, memo, debit, and credit. Remember, every journal entry is a balanced pair or set of lines, so total debits equal total credits. You can sort by date or amount by clicking a column header, which is useful when you're scanning for large adjustments. If you need more detail, click into any transaction line to open the underlying journal entry and review who created it, the memo, and the accounts affected. If you can't drill in, you may need additional permissions from your administrator. From here, you can use report controls to narrow the view further, then print or export to Excel or PDF for sharing and reconciliation. When you're done, that's the entire process. Sign in, go to reports, search for journal, choose your date range, run the report, and review your journal entries with confidence.